Hey everybody, it's Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2025 Bertram 39 center console, powered by twin V12 600 Mercuries. Absolutely gorgeous boat in the light gray hull color. This thing is a beast offshore. Fish it, cruise it, do a little bit of everything. Twin live wells. It's a fishing machine if you want it to be, but it's got a soft side as well. Nice seating everywhere, big bench seat. Big electric shade off the aft side of the hardtop. Look at the easy walk around on the transom here. Easy walk through, freshwater shower. You have a nice electric bench seat that comes out when you're cruising. Awesome barbecue. And sink back here. Standard dive door. Fish boxes in the floor. Beautiful companion. Aft facing seat here. Look at how deep this boat is. Hits you hard. 4 across, that's how much beam there is on this. 4 seats across the helm here. Gorgeous Garmin electronics package. Joystick piloting, of course. VHF radio. Mercury Smartcraft vessel view. Got lots of nice protection in front of you here. Look at the seating up here. Look at how beamy and wide this boat is. You have a party just up here, lots of storage. Actually, that's how big the boat is. You have storage in the gunnels here. JL audio stereo system. This thing actually does have a nice generator. It has a seakeeper as well. Look at the gorgeous cabin you have. Awesome for an overnight place to throw the kids, whatever. Refrigerator, sink. Storage in the vanity, microwave, more storage, air conditioning, of course, and look at the gorgeous head. Beautiful shower. This boat does a little bit of everything from a brand that you trust, Bertram name. It's an animal offshore, and this one's available. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Do a quick panorama of our marina here. Full service. We are your local Bertram dealer here in South Florida. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.